Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to walk you through how to grab the best Hostinger n8n coupon code out there, one that gets you a full 20% off, not just the usual 10% you'd find anywhere else. And yes, you also get a free domain on top of that. Pretty sweet deal, right? I've dropped all the links in the description and the comments section. They're sorted by country, so just pick the one that matches your location and you're good to go. Clicking it takes you straight to Hostinger's website. Hit the Services tab up in the nav bar and you'll see everything they offer. Now, since we're talking n8n today, head over to their self-hosted n8n section. You'll see 4 plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm going with KVM2 for this demo, but honestly, the discount works on all of them. Get to checkout and boom, 20% off and a free .com domain automatically applied. No copying and pasting codes. Quick tip before you buy: use a brand new email address. All right, that's it. If you found this useful, smash that like button and subscribe. Love you all. Keep automating.